since you're the president, that is the time to walk the talk. No more planning. If you plan on July 1, you're very late. So we assume that you all have your own club assemblies, so your plans and programs are all intact. Come July 1, we roll our sleeves and get work. Governor Danny cannot do it alone. He needs the help of every first-class president to achieve their goals. And I just have some advice and inputs for you tonight. During your term as president, lead with passion. Because momentum now is very high. Feelings are very high because in a few minutes you'll be inducted as president. So come July 1, you must also stay and maintain that momentum. Don't let it die down. Lead with passion. Because when you're passionate about your position as president, it could be contagious. Kaya nyo mahawa ang inyong mga members. So lead with passion. Second, lead by example. If you say that the meeting starts at 8 p.m., be there an hour before. Be there in front of the door, shake hands with all your members who are attending the meeting, and say, welcome to our meeting. After the adjournment, you're at the door again, saying thank you, see you again next meeting. Lead by example. If you say that you need to contribute to the Rotary Foundation, I don't know na. Mahirap mag-convince ng ating members na mag-contribute if you yourselves haven't contributed kahit $100. So lead by example. Third, lead with integrity. Ang hirap magpasunod sa mga Rotarians if they don't believe in you. Kailangan makita nila ang ating commitment, ang kagandahan ng ating puso, at ang ating pagiging tapat. So lead with integrity. Fourth, lead with papuri. You are leading a volunteer organization. Lagi natin magpapavenue, lagi natin pupurihin, kahit konti na gawang maganda, patayunin natin sa meeting natin, palakpakan natin, at magtuwanan na ang rotary natin. Kahit napakalaki ng hirap niya, magpasalamat